Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see some free courses through which you can learn coding practically. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Telegram and WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So this FreeCodeCamp website is specifically designed to learn coding practically. This is not like any other website in which you will learn only theoretically. In this website, you can learn everything practically. You do it, what you learn, you implement it, and you also build some projects. And after that, when you complete the course, you can earn your certification for free. You don't need to pay for anything. Everything is for free here in this FreeCodeCamp website. So now let me show you what are the free courses that you can get in this FreeCodeCamp website. So you have responsive web design course, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, front-end libraries, data visualization, APIs and microservices, quality assurance certification course, scientific computing with Python, data analysis with Python course, information security certification course, machine learning with Python course, and you also have coding interview prep course. This course can be really helpful if you are preparing for any coding interviews. Like with this course, you can even prepare for big company interviews like Google. So if you can go to their homepage, you will see this. Since 2014, more than 40,000 freecodecamp.org graduates have gotten jobs at tech companies including Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Spotify. These are all big tech companies. Why the people learning in FreeCodeCamp are getting jobs at these big companies is because they are learning it practically. They are not just learning it theoretically, they are learning by doing it. And if you notice here, all these courses have nearly 300 hours of content. So this is a very long, in-depth, full-fledged course for all the topics given here. So for example, if you take the data analysis with Python course, you are going to learn it from the basic level to the advanced level for 300 hours. So it is a complete course. You don't need to do any other course if you take any of these courses in this website. And of course, for coding interview prep course, you have more than 1,000 hours of content, that is challenges, which you can practice it and keep on practicing it till you get it and ace the different topics. So let me show you here itself. So you can also get a certification. So let me highlight it here. To earn each certification, build its 5 required projects and get all their tests to pass. So when you start doing a course, you will have 5 projects at the end of that course which you need to complete it. You have to build those 5 projects and you have to get all their tests to pass. And after that, the course is completely over and you can get your free certification from FreeCodeCamp. And you can share those certifications on your resume or LinkedIn profile. In whichever you want, you can share it. So now let's see how to enroll in these courses here. So here you can see sign in to save your progress. You can use this button to sign in, or you can either use the button at the top here, sign in. So just click on sign in here and you will be coming to this page. You can log in with your Google account or GitHub or Facebook, or you can even log in with your email. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. Once you log into your account, you will be seeing this. And if you scroll down, you will see here a question. By the way, each Friday I send an email with 5 links about programming and computer science. If you would like to receive this email, click on yes. And if you don't like to receive this email, click on no thanks. And once you answer that question with yes or no thanks, you will see that here we have updated your preferences. And here you can see all the courses which we saw: responsive web design, JavaScript, data visualization, all the courses are here. So you can just click on any course that you want to enroll in. So let me click on responsive web design here. If you click on responsive web design, under responsive web design, you have all these topics like a basic HTML. These are all the subtopics that are under this responsive web design certification course. Just click on the first topic and the first chapter in it and start learning coding for free. So let me click on it, Introduction to Basic HTML and HTML5. So this is how it will be. You can just scroll down and click on go to first lesson. So that's it. Now I can start learning. So in this way, you can also start learning your first lesson. Here is the code editor in which you can practice your coding and you can also see the output. So this is how you need to enroll in and start learning. So this is the content for this video. FreeCodeCamp.org website is providing a lot of free certification courses in coding like responsive web design, JavaScript algorithms, front-end libraries, data visualization, API and microservices, quality assurance, scientific computing, data analysis, information security, machine learning. And in addition to this, you also have some interview prep course for coding. You can use that also. So make use of this opportunity, learn for free practically in this website freecodecamp.org, and you can also get a free verified certifications once you complete the courses. So I hope this video was useful to you all. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.